Today we are going to cover formation of rules for the given pattern and magic squares. Good morning dear students. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online mathematics class. Today we are going to continue lesson number 7. Can you see the pattern? Let's start. We will continue practice time. Page number 102. Question number 3. Some patterns are given below on the left side of the red line. For each pattern, write the rule. Then choose what comes next from the right side of the red line and tick it. A. This violet triangle faces up. Then it faces this side. Then it faces to the right side. So the rule is 45 degrees clockwise turn or 1/8 clockwise turn. Next block will be this one, B. Orange triangle faces this side. In next block, orange triangle faces this side. In next block, the orange triangle now faces this side. So from this, we can come to know that the rule is 90 degrees clockwise turn or 1/4 clockwise turn. Now next block out of this two will be this one, B. This shape is drawn like this, vertical. In next block, this shape becomes like this, that is horizontal. Again in next block, this shape becomes vertical. Here the rule is 90 degrees clockwise turn or 1/4 clockwise turn. So next block will be this one, A. Now in this shape, the red portion faces down. In the next block, this red portion faces right side. Then in the next block, this red portion faces up. After that, in this block, the red portion faces left side. So here the rule is 90 degrees anti-clockwise turn. That is 1/4 anti-clockwise turn. So out of this two, the next block will be this one. So tick mark here. Now look at the following patterns. Mark the picture which is breaking the rule. After that, correct that shape. A. Red circle comes up, then down, then up, then down, again up. But this circle is breaking the rule of half clockwise turn or 180 degrees clockwise turn. So circle the second last picture and draw the correct shape. B. Top of the umbrella faces right side, then it faces down, then left side, then up, then again right side. Now this umbrella faces up, but actually according to the pattern it should face down. Since the rule of this pattern is 1/4 clockwise turn or 90 degrees clockwise turn. So circle second last picture and draw the correct shape. Here the first bird faces up, second bird also faces up. But seeing this pattern, the rule is a half clockwise turn. That is, one bird faces up, second bird should face down, third bird faces up, fourth down, fifth up, sixth down. So second bird is breaking the rule. So circle second bird and draw the correct bird facing down. Here the fourth block is breaking the rule. First block, third block, fifth block and seventh block are same, whereas second block and sixth block are same. In fourth block, circle is given blue color and it is inside the kite shape which is red in color, whereas in second block and sixth block, red circle is outside the blue kite shape. So circle fourth block and draw the block again correctly. Magic squares. Children, 3 by 3 square is given. You have to fill numbers from 46 to 54 in such a way that the sum of each line becomes 150. Children, remember this word Heb, Sig, Fed. Heb, Sig, Fed. It is very useful for filling magic squares. H, E, B, C, I, G, F, A, D. Now write Heb, Sig, Fed far like this. Now below this Heb, Sig, Fed, write all the numbers in sequence from 46 to 54 like this. Now in this 3 by 3 magic square, write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I in this sequence only, like this. Children, see properly. Again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I should be written in this sequence only. Now consider the letters below Heb, Sig, Fed. Below H, 46 is written. So write this 46 below H in this magic squares. Below E, 47 is written. So write this 47 below E in this magic squares. Below B, 48 is written. So write this 48 below B in this magic squares. Below C, 49 is written. So write this 49 below C in this magic squares. Now below I, 50 is written. So write this 50 below I in this magic squares. Below G, 51 is written. So write this 51 below G in this magic squares. Now below F, 52 is written. So write this 52 below F in this magic squares. Below A 53 is written. So write this 53 below A in this magic squares. Below D 54 is written. So write this 54 below D in this magic squares. So now our filling of magic square is over and it will look like this. Now when you total first row, second row and third row, that is row wise total, will give answer as 150. When you total first column, second column and third column, that is column wise total, will give answer 150. Even when you total this diagonal entries, it will give 150, and this diagonal's total will also be 150. Children, one more sum we will solve based on this magic squares. Children, 3 by 3 square is given. You have to fill numbers from 21 to 29 in such a way that the sum of each side becomes 75. Children, remember this word heb, sig, fad. Heb, sig, fad. It will be very useful for filling magic squares. H, E, B, C, I, G, F, A, D. Now write this heb, sig, fad little far like this. Now below this heb, sig, fad, write all the numbers in sequence from 21 to 29 like this. Now in this 3 by 3 magic square, write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I in this sequence only like this. Children, see properly. Again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I should be written in this sequence only. Now consider the letters below heb, sig, fad. Below H 21 is written. So write this 21 below H in this magic squares. Below E 22 is written. So write 22 in this magic square below E. Below B 23 is written. So write this 23 below B in this magic squares. Below C 24 is written. So write this 24 below C in this magic squares. Below I 25 is written. So write this 25 below I in this magic squares. Below G 26 is written. So write this 26 below G in this magic squares. Below F 27 is written. So write this 27 below F in this magic squares. Below A 28 is written. So write this 28 below A in this magic squares. And finally below D 29 is written. Last number. So write this number 29 below D in this magic squares. So now our filling of magic square is over and it will look like this. Now when you total first row, second row and third row, that is row wise total, will give answer as 75. When you total first column, second column and third column, that is column wise total, will give answer as 75. Even when you total this diagonal entries, answer will be 75, and this diagonal's total also will be 75. So today we learned making rules by seeing the patterns. We also learned how to fill the magic squares. Hope to meet you in next online mathematics class. Thank you. Take care.